Good morning students. I am Kamble SP, Assistant Professor in Department of Accountancy at Dhananjay Rao Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara. My education qualification is MCom NET. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus, examination pattern and nature of question paper 2020-21 for the subject of cost accounting paper first for BCA part second semester third. After discussing syllabus, nature of question paper, examination pattern, we start our first unit. Here syllabus unit number first, introduction to cost accounting. In this unit we have to learn meaning of cost, cost unit and cost center. Cost accounting objectives, advantages and limitations, and difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. Unit number second, elements of cost. In this unit we have to learn material, labor and overheads and preparation of cost sheet, tenders and quotations. Unit number third, pricing of materials. In this unit we have to learn material of pricing issues, LIFO, FIFO, simple average and weighted average method. Unit number 4, contract costing. In this unit we have to learn meaning, definitions of contract costing, features of contract costing and preparation of contract account. These are the 4 units for your semester third. Here list of reference books. First, Cost Accounting by Jawaharlal. Second, Cost Accounting Principles and Practice by M.N. Arora. Third, Cost Accounting D.K. Mittal and Love Mittal. Fourth, Cost Accounting Ravi M. Kishore. Fifth, Cost Accounting Principles, Text and Problems M.C. Shukla, T.S. Grewal and M.P. Gupta. 6. Cost Accounting Theory and Problems S.N. Mittal. 7. Cost Accounting Principles, Methods and Techniques by B.M. Lal Nigam and I.C. Jain. These are the list of reference books. Now we are going to discuss the examination pattern. Your examination pattern is 40 plus 60 is equal to 100 marks. Here theory examination 60 marks and duration of exam is 2.5 hours. Internal evaluation 40 marks. These 40 marks are bifurcated in 3 segments. First, project work or practical work or lab work or on the job training 20 marks. Assignment or class test or group discussion or study tour field visit 15 marks. Third, active participation in classroom 5 marks. Now we are going to discuss the nature of question paper. Nature of question paper for BCA part second semester third, subject cost accounting paper first. Total marks 60. Instructions. Instruction first. Question number first and fifth are compulsory. Instruction second, attempt any 2 questions from question number 2 to 4. Here question number first, theory or practical, 2 questions of 5 marks each, total marks 10. Question number second, practical problem 20 marks. Question number third, practical problem 20 marks. Question number 4, practical problem 20 mark. Question number 5, write short notes any 2 out of 4, 10 marks. These are the nature of question paper for semester third. Now we are going to start our first unit. In today's lecture, we understood the meaning of cost unit and meaning of cost center. Meaning of cost. In production, research, retail and accounting, a cost is the value of money that has been used up to produce something or deliver a service and hence is not available for use anymore. Usually the price also includes a markup for profit over the cost of production. Cost means a measurement in monetary terms of the amount of resources used for the production of goods or providing the services is called cost. Next, cost object. Cost object is a technical name for a product or a service, a project, a department or any activity to which a cost relates. Therefore, the term cost should always be linked with a cost object to be more meaningful. Establishing a relevant cost object is very crucial for a sound costing system. The cost object could be defined broadly or narrowly. At broader level, cost object may be named as cost center, whereas at a lowermost level it may be called as cost unit. Cost object means anything for which a separate measurement of cost is required. Cost object may be a product, a service, a project, a consumer, a brand category, an activity, a department, or a program. We separately calculate the cost of each product. Product include smartphones, tablets, books, etc. Services includes airline flight, utility bill payment facility, etc. Projects include metro rail, construction of dam, construction of bridge, construction of road, etc. We have calculate separate cost of each project. Next, activity. Activity includes placing of orders, inspection of materials, etc. And department includes finance and account department, safety department and production department. We calculate the cost of each department separately. It's called cost object. Next, meaning of cost center. CIMA defines a cost center as a location, a person, or an item of equipment, or a group of them in or connected with an undertaking in relation to which cost ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. The determination of suitable cost centers as well as analysis of cost under cost center is very helpful for periodical comparison and control of cost. In order to obtain the cost product or service, expenses should be suitably segregated to cost center. The manager of cost center is held responsible for control of cost of his cost center. The selection of suitable cost center or cost unit for which costs are to be ascertained in an undertaking depends upon a number of factors such as organization of factory, condition of incidence of cost, availability of information, requirement of costing and management policy regarding selecting a method from various choices. Cost center may be production cost center, operating cost center, or process cost centers depending upon the situation and classification. Cost centers are of two types, personal and impersonal cost center. A personal cost center consists of person or group of persons. An impersonal cost center consists of a location or item of equipment or group of equipment. Here cost center means it is a location, a person or a group of equipment with connected with business in relation to which costs are calculated and used for the purpose of cost control. Calculation of cost under cost center is very helpful for periodical comparison and cost control. Here in cost center there are two types, personal and impersonal. Personal cost center means a natural person or group of person is called personal cost center, and impersonal cost center consists or it means a artificial person or location or items of equipment or group of equipment is called impersonal cost center. In a manufacturing concern, the cost centers generally follow the pattern or layout of the departments or sections of the factory, and accordingly there are two main types of cost center. These are first production cost center and second service cost center. Production cost center means the centers are engaged in production work, that is engaged in converting the raw material into finished products. For example, machine shop, welding shop, etc. Second, service cost center means these centers are ancillary to and render service to production cost centers. For example, plant maintenance, administration, etc. The number of cost centers and the size of each vary from one undertaking to another and are depend upon the expenditure involved and the requirements of the management for the purpose of control. These are the meaning of cost center. These are the meaning of cost center and types of cost center. Now we are going to understand the meaning of cost unit. Cost unit is a device for the purpose of breaking up or separating costs into smaller subdivisions attributable to products or services. Cost unit can be defined as a unit of product or service in relation to which costs are ascertained. The cost unit is the narrowest possible level of cost object. It is the unit of quantity of product, service, of time, or combination of these in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed. We may, for instance, determine service cost per ton or steel, per ton kilometer of a transport service, or per machine hour. Sometimes a single order or contract constitute a cost unit which is known as a job. A batch which consists of a group of identical items and maintains its identity through one or more stages or production may also be taken as cost unit. Here cost unit means it is a unit of product, service or time in relation to which costs may be calculated or expressed. Cost unit are usually the units of physical measurement like number, weight, volume, area, length and time and value. Cost unit is divided into two segments: single cost unit and composite cost unit. Here single cost unit is used mostly in manufacturing company. For example, cost per ton. Calculate the raw material and per ton is the unit of raw material. Composite cost unit, it is used mostly in service industries. For example, cost per passenger per kilometer. Here cost per passenger per kilometer is a combination of all the units. Here a few example of cost unit are given below. In first column industry or product and second column cost unit. Automobile industry cost unit number of vehicles. Cable meters or kilometers. Cement industry cost unit ton. Chemicals or fertilizer cost unit liter or kilogram or ton. Gas industry cubic meter. Power electricity cost unit kilowatt hour. Power electricity is a combination of units kilowatt plus hour. Transport ton kilometer passenger kilometer. Hospital patient a day. Hotel bed night. These are the meaning of cost unit. In our today's lecture, we know about syllabus, examination pattern, nature of question paper, and understood the meaning of cost, meaning of cost center, and meaning of cost unit. In our next lecture, we start new content of this unit, cost accounting objectives, advantages and limitations. Okay, thank you very much.